The Hercules DJControl Inpulse 500 is a 2-deck USB controller designed to make the transition from novice to intermediate DJ seamless. It features built-in audio interfaces and a layout that emphasizes physical control over touchscreen reliance. Check the link in the description for the best price. Here is how the Inpulse 500 performs across different DJing environments. The logical layout helps beginners focus on technique rather than fighting with the hardware itself. The responsive jog wheels and pads make extended home practice sessions feel fluid and satisfying. It handles small mobile events with ease thanks to versatile output options and durable physical construction. While it can handle a small gig, it lacks the advanced features usually expected in professional club standard systems. It excels in learning and home environments, offering a comfortable space that helps you refine your. Assessing how much value this controller provides for your budget. You get a robust feature set, including an integrated audio interface that makes setup incredibly straightforward. Hercules has built a strong reputation for producing reliable controllers that consistently perform for developing DJs. Compared to smaller, more expensive alternatives, this controller provides more physical space for your creative mixing. You get a significant amount of hardware capability here, effectively providing a professional feel without the potential downsides and considerations before you purchase. The unit feels sturdy and well-built, giving users confidence that it will withstand frequent practice sessions. You receive reliable manufacturer support, though some users might find the initial software setup documentation slightly lacking. It integrates well with standard DJ software platforms, ensuring that your workflow remains consistent and stable. While it is a reliable piece of hardware, you should consider that it is not a. If you are ready to move beyond the smallest starter controllers, the Inpulse 500 is a fantastic option. It feels substantial, provides plenty of room for creative mixing, and keeps critical controls within easy reach.